great little etude which focuses primarily on intonation in D major, rhythm, bow distribution, and of course dynamics. Really fun little and cute little etude that I think you will enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I wish to invite you to my Patreon page where you can find some duets and other etudes walkthroughs I'm doing for everyone. Hope to see you there soon. Thank you so much.